Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Students, in this video we are discussing about an AI based platform, that is a help bot, that is ABHAY. It is CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation. They have launched this help bot by the name ABHAY that will be fighting against the digital arrest and fake scam notices that we are seeing in the market. What happens is there are certain type of scams that are being operated. One such is your digital arrest. An individual will call you. He will say he is from so and so police or he's from so and so police station, right? And what he will do is he will give you some instruction that you have been contacted for this crime, you did this crime, and now you are under digital arrest. You cannot contact anyone, you cannot use your phone and everything. He will take your all the credentials of your important bank accounts in which there is money and everything that you hold. So this digital arrest is actually a illegal thing. This is not legal thing. That means this is not a procedure that is being opted by police personals, right? No one can go for a house arrest, basically, you can say, right? So this is one such fake your scam going on. Then there are other link based scams, SMS based scams, OTP based scams, right? They will send you some link in your mobile application, right? They will send some messages in which there is a link, right? So multiple type of scams are going on. To protect customers from such kind of scams, digital frauds, right, this platform ABHAY has been launched. This is a large language model which has been trained on multiple scam data, and now it will become easy to identify if such scam is happening in the market in real time, right? If we see, it is India's first real-time notice verification platform, ABHAY, launched to help citizens identify fake notices that are issued in the name of the CBI through official CBI website. It is a 24/7 AI-powered platform that allows the users to upload suspected CBI notices after OTP verification to instantaneously check whether the document is genuine or fraudulent. This is an AI-powered help bot designed to help citizens identify forged notices issued in the name of agencies such as CBI, police, customs, and other government bodies. Then if we talk about this, how this works, here first you need to access it, right? Visit the official portal via the CBI website and tap the ABHAY logo, right? Then log in using mobile number and complete the OTP authentication. Upload a high resolution scanned file or photo of the suspicious notice in .jpg, .jpeg or .pdf format. The integrated AI scans the document layout, credentials and digital signatures to immediately declare it is genuine or fraudulent. So this is the work of ABHAY chatbot. For more such information on daily basis, for more such topics on daily basis, stay tuned with us till the end, students. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.